Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the lost notes after update in Goodnotes in 2026. Have you updated Goodnotes and now your notes are missing? Don't worry, this is usually a sync issue, and here's exactly how to find it and fix it. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, then you're gonna search for the Goodnotes there. Once you find it, you're gonna click on Open, and once you open the Goodnotes application, you're gonna find your documents there. Now, after you log in with your account, make sure you're logged in into the correct account first. You can do that by clicking on the gear icon to access your Goodnotes application. And here you can see the account you're logged into. You can click on it and check the email address, etc. Now, once you check that, you're gonna check the sync settings like cloud. You're gonna click on integrations here, and you can see that the cloud storage is not connected. Make sure it is connected. You can also restart the app and your device. You can swipe up the application from here, from the recent app tab, and relaunch it again. If that doesn't work, try restarting the whole app by holding the power button until you see the restart option. Now, also, you're gonna wait for the notes to sync back, then you're gonna restore the backup if needed. And always back up before updating. Use the same accounts across devices and be patient. Syncing can take time. Now, the lost notes after an update are usually recoverable. Follow these steps and restore your data quickly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.